So I've got this like old rustic gate that's rotted away. Now the problem is it's been made with soft wood, and over the years it just rots away. It's been repaired and fallen apart. So the idea is to get some hardwood and make it out of something like oak, and then it won't happen again, and we'll have a fence that stays like this and looks rustic for a long time. So there are oak trees that grow around here, but they're quite, you know, hidden away or out of reach. See, like this oak tree here, we've got a specific branch we can use, but it's quite high up and involve a ladder or something like that. But we recently went for a walk down a lane and we found the right type of tree. And I just happened to have an inverter that's pretty chunky, a Yeti with a battery and an alternator, and an electric chainsaw. So we're gonna go to the woods and cut the tree down. So off we go into the forest with the Yeti. We may have to engage 4-wheel drive, but it will be interesting to see what happens. Yeah, this is the way down this lane. Found this nice bit of tree down this track. Oh, a bit of plants stroking against the car. Yeah, just we don't want it falling on the car either. Just leave it here.
Where are you going to cut it?
Well, not to fall on the car. That's the idea, I think.
What if it falls this?
Are you gonna like do the wiring? Wait. So here we're connecting the jump leads to the battery. This just makes it easier and you don't have to balance the inverter on the engine. So now to connect the inverter up. I've dropped the link for the inverter and the chainsaw and all the other bits in the description. So, you know, have a look at it if you want to do this, but yeah, definitely. As you can see, the plug sockets on the inverter accept European, American and English plug sockets. As the tree's quite far away, I'm using an extension lead. And here's the chainsaw. It's a Black & Decker, but there's many similar makes of the same thing available. I'll also drop the link in the description for this.
It's cool, I'm out of the way.
How long have we been here?
7 minutes, 8 minutes.
And he's made like some... Oh, it's fun.
Yeah.
Maybe not. Yes, it is. Darcy, that's going to fall on me.
Can you record that? Well done, butthead.
How many do we need?
Just keep going, as many as we can get.
We need like a minimum of 4.
Minimum of 4. And then,
We want the post bits.
yeah, and then we,
So they're like
they'll be
then,
like
aren't they?
those.
They're thin.
Come on, just go.
Yeah, and then we can use the rest as firewood.
Fucking cool, eh? That's like having a Jenny, but your whole car is the Jenny.
Yeah.
Look at them. Without one of these, this mission wouldn't have been possible. You take 12 volt and you invert it to 240. I'll drop a link in the description for one of these. They're freaking brilliant. You can like run a microwave, boil a kettle, use a chainsaw or any other cool tool. So it just basically turns your car into a petrol generator.
We just gonna have to sit in the boot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on, push it through.
No, that won't shut.
Right,
That won't
shut
shut.
the
Lift
door.
it up.
The door won't shut.
Lift that piece up.
Yeah, put that on the
It's in
seat.
from here. Now it's in.
Right,
It's
shut
in.
the door
It's in
then.
both ways. Yeah. And then we get in that side and just sit on logs.
Right, so you'll have to sit in there and you hold that bit of wood. So it doesn't
Okay.
damage
Oh, I'm just gonna. It's gonna be tight. Oh, I'll sit here.
Yep.
And then you sit there. And then we can. Oh, there we go.
Reese, may I have my phone so I can
Yeah, here's your phone.
not get... What a successful haul. We have the oak in the boot. And the boys as well. Hello, boys.
Hello.
Now all we have to do is drive up this slope without getting stuck and we should be home dry. Power and speed. Come on Yeti, you can do it. Not Yeti, yet. Oh, plenty of power. Even enough room for parasols, so bit of a drift.